Hello everyone. So here is how you can install OANN app on your iPhone. This is for users who just started with iPhone or iOS device and don't have a lot of experience. So you just need to go to App Store app here. You need to be signed in with your Apple ID account, and then you can just search for here for OANN and then just tap get. Then you will need to confirm with your Touch ID, Face ID, or just your password, depending on your iPhone model. That's how it works. And then, yeah, this app has super small size, just like around 10 megabytes, and it will be downloaded. And that's it. So you can get like top news with notifications, articles, news categories, or save articles. And that's it. And then you can just open. And that's about it. That's the app.